So we've all been here and we've all done this. You're driving along and some idiot overtakes you and throws a big rock up on your windscreen. As you can see, this happened to my wife recently, and with the hot air, it has become a big ass crack. But we're gonna fix it with a repair kit on this episode of Grease Garage. So a little bit of a backstory. This happened to us about a month ago, and my wife took it through the car wash and it has extended quite gradually and long, and it's a beautiful looking crack, but it's actually getting worse as I talk. So we really need to fix it. They said that this is a good stuff. I got this from Super Cheap Auto and it seems very straightforward, and it's meant to do all of them: stars, bullseyes, cracks and chips, which I have 3 of them right here, so it's going to be quite interesting to see how this all turns out. So in this kit, you are going to get some spider looking thing that has a bunch of little suction cups, this little screw thing that goes in top of it, and I'm going to call this stuff glue. But it's not really glue, it's something else, but it's called glue for today. So we've got those little things down, and the first thing we want to do is wipe that glass down and get out any of the little bits of glass that was stuck in the little hole thing. So once you've done that, then you go get the spider thing and you gotta put it over the top of the hole, get it all centered up and screw the center little thing down and make sure that it's a nice tight fit. Here's a video that I found of how to do it actually properly. So now you're gonna get that glue, you're gonna get 3 drips, drip, 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 and then you're gonna like put this little plunger thing into it and you're gonna screw it down so it pressurizes that glue into your glass and fills in the crack. Now a smarter man definitely would have waited that 15 minutes before trying to fix the other cracks, but I'm getting right in there and I'm squishing this glue everywhere, trying to fill in as much of that crack as possible so I can knock it off real quickly because the wife needs the car. And as the saying goes, happy wife, happy life. So 15 minutes have passed and that spider thing is ready to come off. So we're popping it off nice and gently, and we're going to put a little bit of glue and put these little clear patch pieces on and then drive it out into the sun that we don't have because we live in a part of Australia that's autumn now and it doesn't have a lot of sun. But that's alright, we do that. So it is 7 days later, and how does this look? I left it way too long, but you know what? It didn't go off. It said it would go off really quickly, and it just did not. So I guess that's a down point for them. So pretty much what we're going to do is we use the supplied Stanley knife here, and we are going to scratch this off supposedly. And they said don't put it on an angle, just do it straight. Look, at this point we're getting it replaced anyway, so if this doesn't work, it doesn't matter. It's just to see if it does actually work. So, let's pull this off and let's start scratching. So I didn't want to make everyone's ears bleed, so I'm just doing a little montage of me scratching this all off. Came off pretty easy, pretty straightforward. And then we just clean it up and get to check it out. So I've cleaned this all up. And what we're going to talk about now is, does it do everything that's promised in the ads? So one of the things they say in the ads is, you put this stuff in and it's going to completely disappear that crack. Now, from a distance, that's kind of true, right? From that camera, from here, you probably can't see it. From where I'm sitting, I can definitely see it quite clearly. So, look, no, it doesn't completely get rid of it, but it definitely helps. There is a couple of spots, especially where the spider cracks were, where they were just the really fine stuff. You really have to look close to actually see them. So I'm guessing because this is so long, and they did say if it's over 100 mil long or 4 inches, it's too big to fix. So let's just give them the benefit of the doubt there. stop it from cracking further is another thing. Yeah, that's true. It's been 7 days. This was cracking more every single day, especially in the heat. It's been 7 days and it hasn't cracked any further. So I'm going to say that is true. And I'll also say that it is a lot smoother. So I can run my finger over this now. And I can't feel any scratches. So definitely this is going to get changed anyway because of where the crack is. But yeah, I'd definitely say if you're in the pinch and you need it fixed right there and then, and you can't get a windscreen or you can't afford a windscreen, then this would definitely be the way to do it. But just remember, if it is in the line of the driver or the passenger, probably not the best idea. That's my 2 cents. Hope you enjoyed the episode, guys. If you'd like me to test out this sort of stuff, let me know. And if there's something you would like me to test out, maybe, also let me know. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Where it was cracked. Yeah, feel that? Can you feel the crack anymore? Try to feel it.